What is up, WeatherPower fans? Welcome back to another fabulous WeatherPower recap. I know I come in here like, what is up, you WeatherPower fans? Anyway, getting back into it. I have changed a lot of WeatherPower stuff. I've got a new computer in the mail for our 24/7 live stream stuff. I'm not going to actually go there on the status of that right now because right now I have to develop a lot of stuff, and it's going to take probably 3 months to actually get the stuff ready. But I'm looking at another monitor right now that is holding my preview for my OBS, so I can look at myself while I'm talking and look at my, OBS while I'm recording. But other than that being said, let's get into what's new, y'all, shall we? Alright, here, welcome to my computer. Welcome to my screen. So, bear with me here while I fabulously ignore Google Chrome. Error. I've just been fiddling around with my dashboard trying to find out some new stuff. But anyway, so what's new with WeatherPower, you may ask me? Well, let's go ahead and show y'all. Once you load the page up, you may see the new map. This is our new improved Mapbox map that I will be releasing to the public eventually. I have no idea when it'll be out, but it'll eventually be out to you guys on the radar tab. But anyway, also, this is the cape still. Everything else on here is still the same, but when you go down to the bottom. Now, on the forecast summary, you have a high confidence. You refresh it, it'll either change once everything finishes loading, or it will stay the same. And then this will just tell you today's timeline. My camera's in the way, but let me zoom out the page a little bit. No, still my camera's in the way. Crap. But anyway, you get it. It just tells you today's timeline. Here's where I'm actually have to move my camera to show you guys. Basically, it's just a severe risk meter that shows you your risk if you have one. There's not very much other things that are going to require me to move my camera, I don't think. But anyway, on the hourly page, maybe the only thing that's changed on the hourly page was the date added to the hover probe. That was mainly the only thing, probably. And then the radar, we rebranded the radar towers. Now they have little blue dots so you don't get them confused with storm reports. That was a big issue back in the other version. And then we also hid viewer dots from users, from actual users. That way, when you share your viewer dot now, it don't show to actual people. See, for example, if I go to radar on a guest window, you can't see the viewer dot layer. Gosh, I'm going to get these words out soon. But on my end, I can because I'm an admin. But, of course, you still can't see them. Unless I'm going to remove this soon as well. And then place alerts. Now you can monitor your place. It will also let you know if you have any kind of type of alerts or something like that. The basics. It's not going to be that hard to figure out some of this stuff, but it'll just tell you if you have alerts. It'll let you know. But yeah, that's basically it. When you click on a radar tower, it'll zoom you over and it'll show you all the radar, the mosaic stuff. The usual stuff. Then, alright, on the cameras page, we just kind of fixed up a couple things. The alerts page, kind of just fixed up here. And, I mean, that's basically mostly what we've been doing here recently. On the blog page, we added a like. You can actually like the post now and comment on the post. And we also added an AI overview to tell you what the blog's mainly about. And then other news I've been working on, we bought a lot. I want to show you all this, but it's also kind of a privacy thing. I don't know if it'll stop the recording, so I'm going to try. Alright, y'all. In this part of the video, I was just showing you guys the new overlay stuff I was going through and I was making. So, I didn't realize it, but my microphone wasn't even on this scene. So, I kind of have to do a voiceover now, but I was just sizing my camera down, doing some stuff. Um, I switched back eventually, but if you guys can watch this without a microphone, it would be fabulous. But yeah, anyways, I was just showing you guys I was showing you everything about this new stuff that I've been doing to Weather Power's the radar broadcast. This part I'm gonna cut out. But anyway, yeah. Thank you all. That way we can be right back here. But anyway, pretty much that's what I've been cooking this past few months. And to be honest, I'm ready to get or put it to use, if you know what I mean. I'm ready to get it use. Oh my god, I can't talk. I'm ready to use it for actual live footage. But other than that, you guys, there's nothing else on Weather Power's main pages that you guys need to know about. One more thing, almost forgot. Look at me, almost forgetting that. If you go to Google Play, I have a trailer now on Weather Power. But if you also go to Weebot, I have been cooking on Weebot. I on the Android version. I've been trying my best to get this, next level. It is April 7th. Did it actually? Yeah, it actually let me update it. Good. Yeah, new in this update, chat history with sidebar, live radar, persistent memory, streaming AI responses, auto location on launch, performance improvements. So now the actual update for 1.40 is out. Last night I released one for 1.4, but that was mainly just a redesign. Honestly, I'm not going to joke with you guys. It runs right off of this webpage right here. It'll just tell me it's built for mobile and I can preview it. So this is actually what you guys are seeing on your phone. I'm going to put it like this so I can show you guys. It automatically knew my location, Annabelle. Also, now we have a new chat box. That's something I worked my booty off on. If you type in now, you don't have to go up there and set it. You can literally just say weather now. Don't do this. Dude. Oh, it took a minute. 61. Is it actually 60? Yeah, it's 60 right now. And then if I say hi, for example, just say hi. It'll
Hey
actually give
there.
me...
Waving hand, how can I help you today?
It'll actually give me a full response. Like ChatGPT. If you ask it, say for example, code me a test page. It will literally code you a test page. And plus, it's not even supposed to do that. It's only supposed to give you weather data. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to have a project open in here. I already know it. But I'm going to actually put this in Notepad++ and see how it done it. See, I already have, yep, I have one open. But we're going to go ahead and ask to go to new 2. Control-Shift-S. No. Control-S. Control-Alt-S. I forget the key shortcut to make a new file. We're gonna save it right in... Yeah, I'm almost out of storage. This video's been long, but it'll be worth it in a minute, because I'm gonna really show you guys how good this gets. But yeah, you can literally ask it to create you a test page, and it will do it for you. I don't think I can support downloads right now. Oh my gosh, look at that. It did it. Look at that. This is a simple... Oh, wow. But anyway, that's because it uses ChatGPT's OpenAI API, so that's why. Please don't ask it to code, because it uses a lot of my credits on ChatGPT's API stuff. But that's what I was going to show you guys. Yeah. All of a sudden now. And it'll also store memories, but anyway, I'll catch you guys later here on WeatherPower. Peace, y'all.